all doing well. First, I'd like to start off this video by saying thank you for getting me to 1,000 subscribers and 2,500 followers on Instagram. And as a thank you, I am now doing a little giveaway, giving away a total of $150 to 3 lucky winners. How you enter this giveaway is simply tag 2 of your friends into this post, and those 2 friends that you have tagged must also follow my page. And if supposedly you are the lucky winner, you and these 2 people that you have tagged into this post will win $50 each. Now, before I get started with this video, I'll be breaking down a trade that I took on GA last week, where we secured just under 10%. We secured 9.5% with a total RR of 19 and a total pips of 178. So as you can see, this was our initial entry, and then we got a re-entry of that 15-minute order block, and we shorted it down to a previous area of demand. So let's get straight into the breakdown. Now this was the trade, I already replayed it back, but now let's clear the chart and get started. So first things first, we go to that 4-hour time frame. As price was approaching this 4-hour area of supply that I had marked out, I noticed price rejected before I was able to enter this position. So once I saw that price rejected, I waited for a break of structure on that lower time frame. So as you can see, once price started to reject this 4-hour area of supply, it broke structure at this point over here. Now once I got that break of structure, that's when I started to look for a position to sell off from. And I identified this nice area of supply right over here. That was essentially my initial entry. And I refined it on the 30-minute. I entered up the body to the wick, just like so. So that was my initial entry. Let me put the short position on. That was my entry. Stop loss was at the wick. And we were targeting a previous area of demand, which was at this point. Right over here. My second take profit was at this area of liquidity down here, but I didn't hold it to that point because I was very happy with 10%. But essentially, you could have targeted this area of liquidity down over here. So that was my first entry. Oh no, let me replay price back. Sorry, back further to this point over here. To this point over here, so I can show you guys the re-entry. Now, once price started to move into my direction, I started to look for a re-entry on the lower time frame. And now if we head over to that 15-minute, first of all, we can identify a minor break of structure at this point over here. And once we got that minor break of structure, that's when I started to look for that re-entry. And we can clearly identify a nice order block on the 15-minute right over here. Now, that was the last buy candle before price broke structure on the 15-minute. So that was the candle I was going off of on the re-entry. So we would have entered at the open of that candle and stop loss at the wick. And we were targeting the same area. That area of demand right over here. And that was simply it. Those were my 2 entry points. And now if we just continue to play price, you can clearly see price wicked into that area. And then we smoked our TP. Now as you can see, price hit RTP and it also hit that liquidity that I was talking about right down there. So if I continue to play price, it's going to take a bit long. Just go on that 1 hour. There it is. There it is. As you can see, price also hit RTP too. So if you were to hold down to this point over here, you would have got yourself a nice 16 risk to reward on the second entry and 11 risk to reward on the first entry, which totals up to about 27 RR, which if you were risking 0.5%, you could have got yourself a nice little 13.5%. If the math was right, was it? Something like that, okay. But yeah, so that was it. That was all there was to this setup. It was quite textbook. Waited for that confirmation entry, waited for that break of structure, got in that buy to sell candle, and then that was the same thing for the re-entry. And that was about it. If you lot have any further questions, do DM me. I get back faster there. I don't really reply to comments on the YouTube videos. I'm more active on my Instagram. So be sure to follow that. And yeah, take care. Quickly, just before I wrap up this video, I forgot to show you guys the proof that this trade was sent to the team. Now, as you can see here, we have GA right there. That was our initial entry of that 30-minute order block. As we can see, that was the zone, and that was our take profit area, that previous area of demand. So this trade was sent to the team. And also, if you lot do want to join the community, head over straight to my Instagram, and as you can see, there's the link in the bio. Click the link and then select Course Plus Discord, and all you have to do is fill up your card details, make the payment, and once you make the payment, you'll get an automatic email that will send you the link straight to the Discord. So anyways, have a great day, guys. Take care.